Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Jovan Ali from Teach Me English. In this tutorial we are normally going to learn some new vocabularies which are this time related to farm animals. So for those who love animals and pets, this subject is dedicated for them. So let's get started. Sheep. Tom has sheep. Ram. Be careful of that ram, it bites you. Goat. I have 2 goats. Pig or swine. They have a large pig farm. Bulls don't like the red color. Cows are friendly. Horse. Sally can ride a horse. Mule. He has an old mule. Donkey. He's as stupid as a donkey. Camel. A camel can't bear burden. Llama. The llama is related to the camel. Rooster or cock. The rooster crows at dawn. Hen. My hen lays an egg every day. Ducks lay 10 eggs a month. Goose. The goose flew into the sky. Quail. Spanish hunt quails in mountains. Turkey is high in protein and low in fat. Dog. A good dog deserves a good bone. Cat. A cat has 9 lives. Rabbit. A rabbit can make long jumps. What is the name of this bird? Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in next video.